Hello, I'm Brian Tracy. I've given more than 5,000 talks and seminars in 74 countries, including many times in Ljubljano over the years. I've been invited to Ljubljano by Smiljan Mori, the successful entrepreneur and world-known motivator and the founder of the BigU Academy. The BigU Academy is one of the world's biggest direct sales and network marketing organizations, which provides virtual training courses on the science of happiness, on neuroscience, on positive psychology and personal development to individuals and organizations around the world. On 15 October 2016, the BigU Academy will start its BigU Wake Up Weekend seminar called Maximum Achievement Day, and during that first day, I will give my world-famous Maximum Achievement Seminar. More than 1 million people have attended this seminar in more than 50 countries. Now let me tell you what will be in the Maximum Achievement Seminar. First of all, we will show you how the best and most successful people in the world think in every area of their lives. We will show you the difference between people who earn a small amount and people who earn 5 and 10 times as much working in the same company and in the same industry. Then we show you the 3 most important principles for success in modern business, and they are clarity, which means you're absolutely clear about what you want and what you need to do to get it and how you will measure it, and you have the ability to focus on one thing at a time, the key to personal productivity and time management, and then you learn the power of concentration, which is the key to your achieving 10 times as much as the average person and to earning 10 times as much as well. Then we show you how to apply these principles in 7 key areas of your life. We show you how to develop a clear vision for yourself 3 to 5 years in the future, to be absolutely clear about what it is that you want to accomplish with your life, and then the steps that you will have to take to achieve it. We show you how to set goals in every part of your life with a powerful goal-setting process that will enable you to accomplish 5 and 10 times as much as people who don't know how to set goals. We will teach you time management and how to think creatively and solve problems. We will teach you how to get more and better results and how to acquire and use money far more effectively. We will teach you how to grow and develop yourself so you become more and more valuable, and how you can get better results faster in every part of your life. This is the most popular seminar ever given in the world, especially by me. I've given it maybe 1,000 times to more than 1 million people, and I'm looking forward to sharing it with you. I will be sharing the podium with Smiljan Mori, Anna Bukavik, Ales Lizak, and other renowned speakers. On October 16th, the second day of the BigU Wake Up Weekend, we will be talking about success, sales, and leadership breakthroughs. I'll be talking about sales and how you can become one of the best salespeople in your industry. I have taught more than 2 million salespeople worldwide a special process, a proven success formula, like a recipe in the kitchen, that you can use to sell 5 or 10 times as much as any other salesperson who does not know this recipe. More than $30 million and 22 years of research have been spent interviewing and videotaping 55,000 sales conversations to find out exactly how the best salespeople sell and exactly how customers buy, what has to happen in their mind before they make a buying decision. And I will show you the entire series of techniques, including how to find more and better prospects, people who want and need your product and who are willing to buy it very quickly. I'll show you how to build trust and rapport with these people so that they like you and trust you and are open to your influence. I will show you how to find out exactly what they want and need that you can offer. I'll show you how to make powerful presentations in sales that will enable you to persuade people to buy your product. I will show you how to answer their objections. I will show you how to close the sale several different ways, and I'll show you how to get a continuous river of resales and referrals from your happy customers. Together with Smiljan Mori and Alesh Lisak, we will show you how to become a powerful sales and leadership personality. We will show you what is needed to break through the barriers keeping you from earning more money so that you can sell your products and services faster and easier. You will learn techniques of great leadership to inspire your team for productive behavior. The program that I will give you control over every aspect of your life. So come for a BigU Wake Up weekend. I look forward to seeing you there.